Hello everyone, welcome to the Vishnu Code Academy, and now we are going to start with our most interesting game, that is the Mario game. We are going to create this Mario game right now, so let's see how it's going to work. So isn't this working very nicely, and isn't this very interesting to make our favorite Mario game? So let's get started. So I don't need this sprite because I need my Mario as the sprite. So I'm just gonna upload the Mario as my sprite. And now I need two more costumes for it at least. So I have downloaded these costumes. You can also download them as you wish, the ones you like. Now I've got a white background over here. I wish to change this white background to the original, this check colored design. So I'll just select this check color design only. And just fill this white background with this. So some small portions of white color is still there, but that's fine. So it's almost covered the white background. Again, we'll do the same thing for the other two costumes. Okay, so this is fine. And the third one, so we are done with all this. And the size of this Mario is also too big. So let us change this to 40. And now this is okay. Now I need some green colored grass. So let me make a sprite. I'll paint a sprite. I'll just take this box, select light green color. Okay, this is good. And then I'll draw a box over here. I'll just step this little down so that it covers the whole portion. Decreasing this height a little bit. Okay, now this is okay. For my coding purpose, I'll need a dark colored background, a different color, just to detect. So first of all, I'll make this size as 50. I'll select this line and I'll choose dark green color. Okay, so this color is fine. I'll just draw a line over here. Okay, this is almost very nice. Just take this Mario little on top of this. Okay, now we can start writing our code. For writing the code, first of all, I need the green flag. So I'll take this green flag block. And at the beginning, I want my Mario to be at this position only. So I'll select this go to block and fix it in this position. Then as usual, I need my forever block so that my code runs continuously. And first of all, first thing I want my Mario is to be able to walk left and right. On pressing the right arrow key and on pressing the left arrow key, it should move to right and left, right? So I will take an if block to check my sensing. If the key pressed is right arrow, then X value should change, right? So my X value should change and even my costume should change. Then only it will look like it is moving. So X value should increase. I've taken 10 as it was by default. 10 is a good value. Now I can do the same thing for the left arrow. I'll just duplicate this block. Okay. So I've got the same block again. I'll just change the right arrow to the left and the X from +10 to -10. So this is fine enough. Now let's see if Mario is working. It's moving. Yeah, it's moving to the right. It's moving to the left. So it's good enough. Now I even need to add a sound to this. So let me take my green flag block and my forever block and add a sound to it. I can record my own sound, but no, I have good number of sounds already over here. So I can select one from here. Let me check this. Okay, this sound is nice enough. So I'll just select the drum funky only. And now I want to add one more level of grass so that it can jump. So just I'll make some modifications to the sprite. I will make one similar box again. I don't need an outline presently. So I'll make a box over here. Just and now I'll select this dark green color. Okay, I need this thickness to be high. So my second level is ready. And I need to write the code for jumping. So I'll again start with the green flag. So over here, I need a variable for it. So I'll create my own variable, suppose make it floor. I don't need to show my variable so I can hide it. Initially I'll set my floor to 0. Then I'll take my forever block. And when I'll make my Mario jump, as soon as it touches the dark green color, it should stop. It shouldn't move any further. And when I press the space key, it should jump to a good height and then fall down slowly. So this is going to be the logic of my jump. So let me take an F block and check for sensing the dark green color. So if it started touching the dark green color, I'll set my floor to 0. And again, I'll check for sensing the space key pressed. If I press the space key, the floor should be a good value. Then only it will be able to jump. You can set it to 5, 10, 15, 20, anything. But I have decided a number like 13 because a smaller value will give a very small jump and a bigger value is giving a very big jump. So I've taken a value in between them. You can choose your own value as per your wish. Then a y value should change as per the x value. Floor value. So I'll just put this block and change y by floor. So y value will keep changing by floor, and as a value will fall down, it should decrease. It should decrease by a small value. So if I change my floor by minus 0.5, then it should fall down properly. Our code is almost set. Let's see. So our code is working perfectly fine and our Mario is able to walk, jump and everything. It's really nice. We have made the perfect Mario game that we had planned for. So if you like the video, please like it and comment all your queries, all your doubts, and please share it with all of your friends and family, and please do not forget to subscribe the video, to subscribe the channel, and also to click on the bell icon for getting updates on the whatever new videos come up. Thank you everyone.